I'm Ken. I'm doing plastering on the ICO, which is the second level of plastering. I've worked a bit with a plasterer before, did a bit of labouring, and I like what I saw, to be honest. And I noticed that, there's quite a bit of money involved, you know what I mean? It's all about the money at the end of the day, you know what I mean? It's what you're going to do with your future. If I'm going to work for myself, start on my own company, or work with another plasterer for a certain amount of time and just do it that way. I've been here for 2 years now. The college is pretty good, to be honest. We've got all the resources that we need. Everybody are really helpful. All the technicians that mix up all the stuff and that are really nice to us. And we've even got like a nice canteen upstairs. The college is pretty good, mate. It's pretty big. Loads of parking facilities and whatever as well. And it's pretty easy to get to, you know what I mean? If you're a Blues fan, you know where it is, obviously. Even if you're only going to hate the place, but it's just one of them things, When I first started, I just didn't have a clue. We got in and the tutor just said, go and put a wall up. And I was like, what do you want me to do, sort of thing. But I've been after 2 years now, I can do loads of stuff. And I'm doing some floor screening at the minute. You know what I mean? I can skim walls. We even do moulding. Moulding's just plastering, making things you know what I mean? Ornaments that you put in your house. To be honest, it is really good, mate. it's a lot better than really, bricklaying, I think. It's just a lot easier and it's a lot more attractive when it comes out, you know what I mean? It's something to look at and be proud of. Well, basically, I'm just in the starting stages of it, really. Just doing a bit of floor screening. Just basically means that we use a bit of sand, lay it on the floor, make sure it's all level, compact it right down. Make sure that it's just really firm, really sturdy. And obviously, when it's finished, it'll just be like the whole floor that will just be able to just walk on. Be perfect. If we laid concrete on this floor here, obviously it'd set and then we wouldn't be able to get it off. Do you know what I mean? We'd end up with probably up to the roof, with people doing it all the time. So they just give us sand as just a basic guideline to do. And then if we did it on site or anywhere really, we just put a cement in and it's exactly the same thing. Everything you pretty much need is with our technicians and everything you need mixed up, they'll do it straight away. They'll help you any way they possibly can. Do you know what I mean? We've even got a library upstairs, we can go on the internet and whatever. So if you want to revise for tests and stuff like that, you can just go on, log on, and just revise. It's pretty good, man. It really is. And obviously we've got security as well, so it stops your car getting nicked and whatever, you know what I mean? You're a bit worried about your car getting sold. We've got security and everything anyway, so obviously this is the workshop. We've got plastering, which we do over this side. This is the area where all the bricklayers are. Upstairs there, you've got all the tilers, and then on the other side of that wall, we've got the carpentry and all the gas equipment and everything else. The best thing about this campus is that we do get to see a wide variety of different trades. Obviously, we can see that if a particular bricklayer is doing some job there, and we can see how good it is, and and try and learn from it, or try and give back to him, or and vice versa. And they'll come over and look at ours, you know what I mean, and show each other. And then we've got all the other places as well, like the gas places and the carpentry and everything else. You can just see a wide variety of trades, man. If there's anything really that you fancy doing after you finish your course, you know what I mean? It's there and you can go and have a look, no problem.